What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, another unboxing. Today we got some brand new 1/64 scale NASCAR diecast. We're gonna get into it right here and right now. Let's take a look. We should have 4 brand new ones. You might hear some rain in the background. It is raining pretty hard. But first up, Tyler Reddick in his number 45 Hamburglar Camry. From 2023, last season, of course. From the playoffs, pretty cool. Just because the playoff markings happen to match McDonald's colors. And of course, this is the diecast body and chassis version, so it gives you the numbering of 288. So pretty cool. Somewhere in here will be his matching diecast buddy. But before we get there, we've got the 2024 Lucas Oil number 8 for Kyle Busch. Diecast body and chassis again. This is the only 2024 car in the box. Kyle Busch having a rough go of it so far this season. Poor guy. It's a shame. Next up is gonna be the Bubba Wallace McDonald's Grimace Camry. So again, you got these two, of course. Pretty cool deal they got going on last season with them. And then they come out right together here. The diecast body and chassis versions come out right together, so that's pretty cool. Pretty sweet. And then one more in the box. Happens to be my favorite of the unboxing. This is the Tyler Reddick J Balvin Jordan brand 2023 Camry. I'm a fan of Jordan. I'm a fan of J Balvin. So this is a pretty cool ride here. Again, another playoff one. So of course you've got the special playoff markings on the ride. So pretty sick haul here. But I'm gonna hop some of these out of the box and I'm gonna take a better look at them. Let's do it. All right, so first one out of the box as the rain really comes down now is the Tyler Reddick Jordan brand J Balvin number 45, because again, it is my favorite in this unboxing. I really like this car. I liked it on the track, and I like it right here. Jordan brand, Tyler Reddick, 2311 as a whole, really never misses when it comes to schemes. This one's gorgeous. So yes, one more time, this is definitely my favorite from this certain unboxing. But you can leave a comment on which one you like the best, and I will get the next few out right about now. So the next ones up that we're going to look at is, of course, the McDonald's ones, the matching McDonald's Hamburglar and Grimace. These come on the base, which you can leave a comment on if you know why. Maybe it's because they're specific characters. I have no idea. McDonald's maybe comes on bases all the time. I don't know. But of course, these are pretty cool. Pretty unique, of course, because really they just have the McDonald's design with the character on them. And then as small as possible, we've got Bubba's other sponsors. And then Reddick here doesn't really have any of his other sponsors. He's got NBA 2K24, pretty cool. And of course the Jordan logo. Nice, nice. So then of course the last one is Kyle Busch. Sorry to any Kyle Busch fans, but this will not be coming out of the box just yet. It's basically the same scheme as last year, so nothing really crazy to look over. It's just a little bit updated for this season. So again, sorry about that, but it's staying in the box. And just for the sake of one last go around, of course, we got the 2 Tyler Reddick schemes here with the Bubba. So this was a 2311 heavy video for sure, but it was also a gorgeous paint scheme unboxing video. So one more time, leave a comment on which one you liked the best, like the video, subscribe for more, make sure to come back for more unboxings, more diecast content in the future, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for checking this one out.